Hi everyone, today I would like to explain how to use the DIAView Web API function. So I will demonstrate step by step. Okay, you can follow step by step of my explanation. Okay, this one is the project file DIAView, and before you test DIAView, you need to check whether your license has the DIAView Web API feature enabled or not. Okay, actually, when you go to statistics, you will see right now, my current license has the Web API server license enabled, so I can test the Web API function. But if your current license don't have the Web API features, you need to purchase the additional module. Okay, OPC UI and Web API module. Okay, right now I already checked the license. Now it's enabled, so I can test it. So for today testing, I will use the simulation. So I already created the device. Okay, simulation device, and I created a new three address 1 and address 2, and I generate the random values. Okay, I link to the variable. So for this variable, I create another variable dictionary. Okay, variable 1, variable 2, and I link with the tag. Okay, after that, to go to Web API, you need to go to third-party access section, and you need to go to Web API. Double click it, and you will see this way Web API interface is not enabled, so you need to enable it. And if there are a lot of multiple API interface, okay, you can use it. So I will enable all. And service address, this one right now for this testing, I will use only my local PC. So I will use localhost. But if want to you trying to connect to DIAView server IP address, okay, this one is your DIAView server IP address. Okay, and you need to specify service port within this range. And another one did the publish, and this one three variables that we were trying to retrieve the values today. So I will click this also. Okay. After that, you need to run the DIAView. And this one is the DIAView user manual. If you want to know more about this Web API features, you need to refer to Article 18.3. So it has a lot of API interface that you can use to retrieve the values from DIAView. Okay. And one thing to know is Web API service can respond up to only 50 concurrent access. Okay, this one 50 concurrent access. So this is just a reminder. So for Web API functions of all, you can refer the Article 18.3. Okay, right now I ran the DIAView server already. So for today testing, I will use Postman as the Web API client too. So this one is Postman UI. So in this one, we need to paste the URL address. So what are the URL address? You can refer in here. These are the API interface address that you can use. Okay, there are a lot of API interfaces. For example, if you want to know the login information, you can use this one. If you want to know the user list, you can use this one. If you want to know the device name, tag list, IO address, and all the tag, and if you want to write it, the tag to the DIAView, you can use it, and you can retrieve the real-time LAN history LAN. Okay, for today testing, I will try to for example, I will try to use this one. Okay, I want to know all IO address. So I go to the DIAView, sorry, Postman. I paste the URL link right now. Okay, and then send it. And you will see the IO address. I get it. Okay, name address, one. Okay, all the scan time, all the configuration free web page is also generated in JSON format. Okay. Another one is address 1. Another one is the address 2. Okay. Cross check. Okay. Right now address 1, address 2. Okay. So these are all the IO address, and another one I will try to use this one from Postman and set the link. Okay, I will cut this and then I will try to in Postman. If you read the values from Postman like this, you will get the error code. So this one you can verify in the DIAView user manual. If you want to try with the Postman, okay, you need to declare the variable list. Okay, right now this one variable 1 and variable 2. This one is the current variable. Okay, variable 1, variable 2, these are under variable group 0. So you need to verify in this area. Okay, and then you get the data from the DIAView can. Okay, right now the result is okay. We can get the data successfully. Variable 1, variable 2. Okay, and then send again 33, 97. You can send the REST query depending on your requirement. Okay, you can get the values. You can monitor the values every time. Okay, this is the DIAView Web API. How to test and how to use the Web API feature in DIAView. Okay, so for more information, you can refer to the DIAView user manual, article 18.3. Okay, thank you so much.